Look at this Instagram profile. They're having 1.6 million followers, and their videos, these sort of videos are getting a million of views, and these are very simple videos which can be created with the help of AI very easily. So I'm going to show you a simple process how you also can create such beautiful AI generated videos and use them to get massive view in Instagram and grow your profile. So if you're ready, let's begin. Step 1, go to leonardo.ai and go to this launch app option. Here you will be getting 150 coins every day for free, and you can also use these videos for commercial usage. Now once this dashboard opens, go to this image creation option, and here I will be pasting one prompt. Okay, this prompt you will get in the description. Now I'm going to show you where exactly you should be making the changes. Here this exact prompt I'll be leaving in the description. Now here, if you see this prompt, a whimsical large figure composed of this autumn leaves can be changed to anything. It can be noodles, it can be origami, it can be waves, it can be flowers, it can be branches, whatever you want in this figure, this part has to be changed accordingly. Then rest other parts will remain same, except again the last part, this part, okay, vibrant forest. This can be a beach, this can be a mountain, this can be a forest made of origami papers, it can be anything, a village, whatever comes in your mind, you can just change these two parts. Remaining part will remain same. Now some other settings which I need to create. First of all, this toggle legacy mode should be on. Okay. In the left hand side, you can choose up to 4 images. So I'll choose 4. Here photorealistic toggle should be on. Okay. Alchemy toggle should be on if you are having paid version. If not, it is up to you. Okay. Now here you will have to choose the required aspect ratio. For me, I'm creating 9:16. Now after all this, no other setting has to be changed. You simply go to generate button. So I'll be creating 4 such images. So you need to wait for a while until the images are coming. So you can see I have got these results. These are quite amazing according to me. You just choose which one you like. Let's suppose I like this one. So I'll choose this one. Then I will click on this alchemy smooth upscale model. This will show, okay. So meanwhile, I want to show you a few more results. Like I have changed that prompt a bit, okay. And I have made these origami figures as well. As you can see, if I go to this plus button, the same prompt, I just changed it by origami color paper figures of one boy and one girl, okay. Here also I have given a vibrant origami forest. So I got this particular figure here as well. Once it is done, you just go and download it by this download button. Okay. Like this, you will have to download 2 such images. So I am checking this one and this one. Before we move forward, friends, I have one small request to you. I have given myself a target of 2000 likes and 500 comments. So please do contribute your valuable opinion in the comment section, and please smash the like button. Your support helps me to thrive every single day. With that, let's move forward to the next part. Now I'm going to share the next option, which is Bing AI. Okay, go to Bing and from Copilot, go to this image option. Either go to this create option, or from the left hand side first option, go to try image creation. Now here I will have to type the prompt. So I'll give the exact same prompt and go to create. So I got these 4 options. You can see. So let's suppose I'm taking this option. This is more like a tree figure. Okay, that's what I find. And here I will have to simply download. Okay, you can also go to resize option if you want 16:9, but 1:1 is the only option here. Otherwise 16:9. There is no 9:16 ratio. Okay. Now if I go back, I need to cross it, and then I can take this one. Further, I can download this. Okay, again cross it. The second software which we are going to use is Luma Lab's Dream Machine. This is for the timing. This gives 30 generations for free. Here you will have to just upload that image. So if I go to this upload button, now I will take the second image. I will go to this second frame, end frame option. See, I have given this simple prompt, a human-like figure made of leaves, ball dancing, forest print background. Okay. And here always keep this enhanced prompt on and then go for generation. So I would always suggest give 2 images, and once the video is ready, like this video is getting ready, you will have to go to this download button. You also have another option as extend option. Okay. You can give a separate prompt. Okay. 5 seconds more extension. Well, I'll be using the same prompt. Okay. And keeping the enhanced prompt on, I will again go for creation. Okay. And that way it will create another 5 seconds longer video. And this is the final result. If you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. If you are a struggling YouTuber, make sure you watch the video which is coming up next.
3 reasons why new YouTubers fail. First is they only focus on creating content and they never invest time in learning how to do it in the right way. Second is they don't know how exactly the videos go viral. They don't know how to pick up the right video topic which can help them to get more views as well. Third is, they are not aware of the features that are available in YouTube which can help them to get more views, subscribers as well. If you want to scale your channel 5x faster and earn more than 50,000 rupees per month by creating videos based on your passion, skill or talent, then YouTube Masterclass is for you. Just click on the link below and register for 90-minute free YouTube Masterclass. Hi, I'm Sriram Benur, content creator of channel A2C, which has more than million plus subscribers. And right now, I have been coaching more than 2,000 plus students from across multiple countries, rated 4.9 on Trustpilot. In the 90-minute YouTube Masterclass, you're going to learn why you should consider YouTube, how exactly YouTube works, what are the skills that are needed to be a YouTuber, 3 powerful strategies which can help you to get more views, more subscribers, more video engagement, more click-through rate, and which can help you to earn more money as well. So just click on the link below and register for 90-minute free YouTube Masterclass. See you live.
So I, being his affiliate, I have already given the link in the description for his masterclass. Please do join in his masterclass and enrich your knowledge about being an YouTuber. If you are a new visitor to my channel, please consider to click the subscription button below and press the bell notification next to it. Please do like, share my content with others so that I can thrive every single day for creating better content for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.